guys, it's Julia. Welcome back to my channel. So today, okay, you guys know I don't drink, I don't smoke, so I don't know where the hell I got this idea, but today I'm going to be doing a full face of makeup using chopsticks. My friend Connie's here for emotional support. Do you want to say hi? Hi! I grew up using chopsticks, so this shouldn't be too hard, but just for the sake of it, I applied my brows off camera, so I already cheated on this challenge. But basically, I'm going to be taking chopsticks. I'm using a pair of wooden ones because I figured these have more friction to them, so it'll be easier to pick up smooth things. My mind. Basically, I can only use chopsticks, and for the sake of me not going insane during this challenge, I will allow myself to use my non-dominant hand just to hold things. So that's kind of the rules. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I was really inspired by, I think it was Rob Christie and Jamie French who originally did the tiny hands challenge, which is so strange, but I love it. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do chopsticks. That's a great idea. For the sake of this video actually having a semblance of purpose, I'm gonna be like using some new releases, so it's not gonna be completely stupid, but it will be stupid. That's kind of all I have to say. If you want to watch me being an idiot for the next 20 minutes or so, let's do this. For primer, I'm gonna try and reach for something that's like easiest to open with chopsticks, so nothing. I'm gonna use the I'm using the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. This is a new release and I just reviewed this one, but should I not? Let's go. Okay, wait, how am I gonna get it out then? Okay, left hand. Is it on my face? Okay, good. I'm gonna use this like silicone thingy to put my primer on. I might just give up and use my left hand, honestly. This is one of my favorite primers right now. Very hydrating. Okay, I'm just gonna use my left hand. It's fine. It's fine. I invented this challenge. I make the rules here. Okay, that is my face primed. First step done. It wasn't that bad, was it? No, it was pretty bad. For foundation, I think I want to stick with, again, like a squeezy chew bottle because that's probably going to be easiest. So, let's go with Milk Makeup. Okay, hold on. Hey, let's go! That's so bad. This is the foundation. I think this is too light, but you know what? We're just going to go with it. Really taking advantage of this, you're allowed to use your left hand thing. This should be easy. I was expecting the Beauty Blender part to be the easiest of the challenge, and I'm probably right. AOA Studio Sponge, use Julia for 10% off, just kidding. And I'm going to blend that out. This isn't bad. I could get down with this. I would never do this on a daily basis, but it's not hard. However, it's really hard to like actually push the foundation into your skin, so it's kind of just sitting on top of my skin, which like, did we expect this to look good? No.
I had very low expectations for this.
Me too, honestly. How long have we been planning this though? Since like April, right?
Yeah.
What kind of crackhead would think this would be a good idea?
You literally came up to me one day and you were like, chopsticks.
Chopsticks. This is gonna be my major viral video.
Your breakthrough.
My breakthrough. Like, this is gonna be my James Charles yearbook photo. This is so full coverage though.
No, it looks good.
Like, low key, not bad. I think I might actually go through editing this video and just edit it as pure crackhead comedy. Like, not even an actual makeup video, just like for the memes, you know? This video will have good memes. Okay, I don't know how people like put their brows on first and then do their foundation. Like, foundation's getting up in my brows right now. Okay, see, from the front, foundation looks really good.
No.
But then you like look into the crook of my nose and I can't get the chopsticks in there. I think let's do something with a squeezy. Okay, Connie's currently opening my Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer. What a god. Now I just gotta like actually squeeze it out. Is there a concealer now? There is! I'm gonna have to like share the concealer between my under eyes because this is literally all I can get out. Concealer time. Okay, wait, that looks high-key, like, decent. Like, I'm not gonna say good, it doesn't look good, but it looks like, it doesn't look bad. I'm just gonna go with whatever I can get. Let's go! This is from Innisfree. This is the matte moisture setting powder that I just reviewed in the last video. And it's a powder puff, so this should actually be fairly easy. Oh my god, okay, it's gonna fly everywhere, low-key. But it's raining.
Ooh.
Okay, I am powdered. My face is so white and so dry. And, oh no, I just powdered. I can't do cream on top of that. I gotta do powder contour. Oh, you know what? I'll just do bronzer and contour in one.
I am so powerful. My mind.
That sounds like a good idea. So, I'm gonna be using the Milani Sunlight Silky Matte bronzing powder. I've heard Kathleen Light's talking about these a lot lately, and this seems to be a pretty like nice cool tone bronzer, so I figured it could be a double like bronzer and contour in one, which is good. My face needs something. Okay, I don't know why I'm explaining this. It's like, not like anyone's gonna try and recreate this video. And just like delicately, oh, that looks so nice. Like low-key, whoa.
Whoa.
I need to test out this bronzer on a day when I'm not doing whatever this is. If you learn anything from this video, it's that this bronzer is freaking gorgeous and you should go buy it. Not sponsored. I wish, God. Wish Milani would acknowledge my existence.
You know, you should have been like grabbing the product and like opening it with your hands is fine, but like just applying it.
Applying it with the brushes. Yeah. I might just do that. Yeah. Connie's smart. I'm just gonna do that. Connie's the voice of reason in this insane video.
In this friendship.
In this friendship, honestly. Okay, low-key, I really hate contouring with bronzers on my nose just because I feel like it looks unnaturally warm all the time, whereas I feel like I can contour with bronzers on my cheeks most of the time, but this doesn't look that bad on the nose, does it?
Cool.
It's like more, yeah, it's a cool tone bronzer. I think this is kind of similar to the Hoola Light bronzer, so if you're wanting a good alternative to that, but you either don't want to spend $20-something on Benefit, or you want to buy something cruelty-free, Milani is a great option. That's the most educational thing I've said in this video, wow. I've had some requests to like demo the new Cover FX monochromatic duos on my channel, so because I didn't use the bronzer today, I'm gonna use the beautiful, beautiful blush. Are they really gonna just like mow the lawn right now? Okay.
How dare they?
How dare they? Don't they know that I'm filming? They know that I'm an all-important influencer? I honestly hate the term influencer. Like, it sounds like we're spreading influenza or something, you know? I mean, I'm not spreading influenza, that's just Kat Von D. I thought this would be a good one. This is the Real Techniques Brush Crush 302 brush. It's the Galaxy one, and it has like a flat surface, so I figured this would be easier to hold with my chopsticks. And this is such a pigmented blush, so I'm really just gonna use a tiny amount. Like, oh, that's way too much already. Ooh, okay, that's gonna be hard to blend out. I'm just gonna like, oh yeah, that's not bad. Fuck. Not gonna curse. This is a family-friendly channel. Since when? Since never.
Oh, that works.
Dexterity. Okay, this cheek is so much redder than the other one, so I'm gonna innovate here. Take a little bit of whatever foundation's left on my sponge, and just, that kind of helped, right?
Yeah.
Patted it down. Oh, wait, maybe a little too much. I'm too good at my job sometimes. She says as she does her makeup with chopsticks. Eyeshadow. Eyeshadow. How am I gonna prime my eyes though? Should I even prime my eyes? Should I just go straight in? I'm just gonna take whatever of my foundation's left and stab myself in the eyeballs. Just kind of pat it on to my eyelids and hope that that's enough to create a good tacky-ish base. This is what I've been nervous about because eyeshadow is my whole life and without it I'm nothing. So if I can't do good eyeshadow with chopsticks, I'm a failure to both my entire Asian family and also the eyeshadow world. So Connie picked out the Carroty Smoky palette, which is a mix of 21 highly pigmented shimmer and matte eyeshadows, and here are the colors. I think it's actually very pretty, and I reviewed this one, I think, not this month, but last month. So I do like this palette a lot. I don't reach for it very often, but it's very Pride season appropriate. So I think I'm gonna go for like a purple, pink to purple eye look. And then there's not any shimmers in here, so I'll have to do that with a separate color. But yeah, oh no, glitter, because you can make a mess with glitter and it still looks good. Like hot pink shade here with a very, oh, I just stabbed that with my cool. And I'm gonna use this to, oh, there's no mirror. Okay, blend, oh my God. Okay, Okay, I think I'm gonna try and do like a tapping motion for all the blending of this eye look. I can do that. That's not gonna take a long time at all. Wow.
Wow.
If by any chance you get drunk one night and you wanna recreate this video, definitely use a shadow palette that is very blendable. That's my #1 tip for anyone who's ever gonna recreate this, which is nobody, hopefully. Make good decisions, kids. It's like a pendulum. It just won't stay in place. Oh, I got an A+ in physics.
You did?
Yeah.
No.
I did my best. That was like the crease, so I'm just gonna do the other eye really quickly and then we'll move on in the eye look. Oh, not bad, 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 not bad. Pretty bad. Foundation's all over my hand. I'm sweating because I'm nervous. I actually want this to look good, but it's not gonna. Next, taking my Airways Studio E128, and I'm gonna go into this like kind of berry pink shade here. That was a lot easier to grab actually. And just use this to define the outer corner. Oh, that's actually low-key really nice. How am I gonna apply lashes? Why does that not look bad?
It doesn't.
This brush is from Coastal Scents, the Brush Affair collection, and I don't know where it went. Last matte that I'm gonna go in with, I think I'm gonna use this purple shade here. Oh, I gotta do my lower lash line as well. Okay. That'll take some finessing. And I'm just gonna stamp that purple. Oh, you can't even see it. Why did I do that? Finesse that purple onto the lower lash line. The level of blending on this look looks like something I would do in like 2017, like my early makeup career. If you scroll all the way back to my early Instagram, this is what the eye looks. You've done that, right? Oh God, guys, don't do that. Never scroll back on my Instagram.
Don't look back.
Don't do it. Don't do it. I think I should do a video like recreating my old shitty makeup looks, but better. But like making them good.
Oh.
I don't know if any of them are redeemable. I think the redeeming quality of any good eye look is some glitter. So I'm gonna use some of the glitter injections. Amor de Verano glitter. It's called a glitter bronzer. These are just like really chunky glitter paste thingies. Not eye safe technically, but I live life on the wild side and also I don't care. Oh my God, I'm gonna literally actually use the chopstick. Okay.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
Joking.
I'm actually gonna.
It's gonna hurt so bad.
I know. It's already hurting my soul just to look at this face. I'm gonna stick a chopstick in my eye. So taking some of the glitter. This is so not safe.
Don't try this at home.
Don't try this at home. That's
so cool.
Low-key really pretty. Wow. Not great. Not even gonna lie. It does not look that good, but it's not horrible. And that's what we're shooting for. Not horrible. For mascara, I'm gonna use the Essence Lash Princess just because it has like a weird spongy outer that I felt like would be easier to grip with the chopsticks. So hopefully I'm able to do this. I'm definitely gonna stab myself in the eyes. My doctor would be so disappointed in me. Yeah, not easy. 0 out of 10 would not recommend this technique to anybody. Just use sunscreen, honestly. Sunscreen's the best for your skin. Did I tell you I didn't wear sunscreen for 7 years because my dermatologist when I was a kid scared me so much. Like I hated her because every time I wouldn't wear sunscreen, she would yell at me, right? So I was like, you know what? I'm just not gonna wear sunscreen at all. Suck it. And then now my sunscreen that I wear every day is the this is from Ozioderma. It's like a Canadian brand, but it's the anti-aging antioxidant sunscreen, and I have an affiliate code with them, so if you want to use that you can. It's Julia5. It's the only thing that I have that doesn't mess up the makeup that I put on top of it. For lashes, I'm gonna use the AOA Studio 3D Foam Ink style Yanni, which is, they're very luscious. Basically, I was trying to choose lashes that are big enough that you can't see the eye look that I put underneath them. So, landing. Oh, nope. For highlighter, I'm gonna use the O for Nikki Tutorials in the shade Cloud 9. These are like duochrome highlighters, so they have no white base to them, so I can apply as much of this as I want and it's never gonna look too crazy, or maybe it will. We don't know. This is from Morphe. It's the wide, I don't care. I'm gonna use the Kylie Cosmetics and Jordan Woods Partner in Crime gloss because this is already a dramatic video. Why not just throw some friendship controversy in there? I still can't believe that that happened this year. Like, that feels like so long ago.
I know.
It was literally in like March.
Better.
That's actually, okay, not a good color for the eye look. This is a makeup look. Not bad. Not good though, but not bad. So here's the completed look. It's not good, but I did my best. So I hope this was somewhat amusing to watch, and if you learn anything from this video, it's that this Milani bronzer is bomb. A bunch of the new releases I tried out are good. Harry's eyeshadows are surprisingly easy to blend when you have no dexterity in your hands with chopsticks. And yeah, I think that's kind of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you to Connie for helping me film this one. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed down below, and also follow me on Instagram to see makeup looks like not like this at all, posted on a semi-consistent basis. And if you made it to the very end of this video, you get the bonus meme. Love you. Bye.